Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I said I was going to keep going with the Tarte Pro palette, but I'm just kind of sick of that palette. It wore thin with me. I just didn't like the way the colors blended all that well and everything. I was just done with it. And so I didn't keep going with the looks from that because I was just bored. And so I decided I wanted to sit down and like just talk today. I wanted to go ahead and get my makeup on and just sit down and talk. I was just having one of those kinds of days where I didn't want to do a tutorial. And so I said, well, let me see what I got new. And the newest thing that I have is the Kylie lip glosses. I ordered some when she had like a 20% off or something like that. And so I was like, I'll just get these out, do some lip swatches, and talk about like my little Kylie lip collection. So if you want to see all of the shades that I have from Kylie Cosmetics, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the first shade that I have is the one that I'm already wearing, so I'm not going to do the lip swatch for that. And this is KOKO K, and this is the lip gloss, the lip liner, and the liquid lipstick. So I own all three of that shade because that is like my universal pink shade. I just think that's so pretty. So right now I'm wearing the liner, the liquid lip, and the lip gloss. I'm more of a lip gloss person. I don't really like liquid lips. They're just too crusty for me. And so I don't wear them that often. But this combination just works so well, and it makes your lips look so big and full even when they're not. I don't know how it does it, but it just does. I guess it's the creaminess of the lip liner, and I like it a lot. So that is probably my favorite color. That's kind of why I started this video out with it, because I just wanted to show you like my favorite color. But I love it. All right, let's go ahead and try another one on. Okay, the next shade that I have is Damn Gina. This was from the KHLOE collection, and this is a lip gloss. This is more like a mauve shade, but it's also got glitter in it. This doesn't feel that great on the lips, but it's very pretty on the lips. So I'll show it to you. Let me turn down my light a little bit. Hold on. So that is Damn Gina. Let's go ahead and try that on. Okay, so that is Damn Gina. I think this really enhances your natural lip, and it also has that little bit of flecks of glitter to make it like really super shiny. And so I think this is more of a universal color, and it'll kind of change a little bit to adapt to your lip. And so I think that is super pretty, but it does have that little bit of glittery feel to it. But let's go ahead and try another one. Okay, so this is the shade Kandy K. I have this one in the lip gloss as well. And this one is a little bit more of a deeper mauve shade. I'll show it to you. So that's that swatched. And let's go ahead and do a lip swatch. Okay, that is the shade Kandy K on the lip. I think that is super, super pretty. And I think it really goes with this look. It kind of tones down the look, the pinky look. And so that shade just is like perfection to me. I only ordered shades that I thought I would absolutely love. And so that's like why they all are looking good so far, because they're ones that I just knew I was going to love. So let's go ahead and do another one. Okay, this is the shade Literally. This is more of a brown nude. I'll go ahead and swatch it on my hand, and then I'll do a lip swatch. So that's Literally. I think I'm going to absolutely love this shade. This is the first time of me using this, and I'm so excited. Okay, this shade is absolute perfection for me. I love a good nude. I don't like wear a lot of color on my lips because I do like a lot of color on my eyes. And so I like a nude lip all the time. Like, you're never going to see me hardly in any shade but maybe red, and then like all different shades of nude. And so Oh, I love that. I live for it. Okay, this one is actually a velvet liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit. I really like the creams that she came out with Kim, and so I wanted to try the velvet to see if it was going to kind of go on the same way. And so this shade is like just brownish nude again. That is Birthday Suit. So pretty. All right, let's go ahead and put on the lips. This has got a little bit more of an orangey brown tint to it, so we'll see. Okay, with this makeup look, it looks kind of weird, but with the right, like, smoky eye, this shade would be so pretty. Maybe with, like, a little touch of gloss over it. But I think that is, like, the perfect, like, orangish brown warmy nude. So if your skin tone is a little bit, like, more on the browner, like, side than mine is, this would be so pretty for you. This is one of them shades that I have to be really tan to pull off. So I'm going to the tan a bit. I'm trying to get some color. But as of right now, this is one that I would kind of hold off on until maybe like I'd have to either be wearing a dark makeup look or when I'm a little bit more bronzy. So let's go ahead and try another one. Okay, the next shade is the shade Like, and I have this in a gloss. This is a deep mauve gloss, and this is what it looks like. Glosses are so hard to see on camera because they're like the light's hitting it and it's so flashy. Okay, this is the shade Like on the lips. I think it looks pretty. It's kind of one of them everyday nudes. It's not my favorite one in the bunch, but it is super pretty on my lips, I think. It just doesn't really go with this makeup look, but I do really like the shade. And so let's just go ahead and try one of the last ones on. Okay, the last shade is not going to match right now, but it is the shade True Brown. It's the shade True Brown. I don't know why the hell I got this. I'm never going to wear this, but I will just show it to you just for shits and giggles. Okay. Okay, so that is the shade True Brown. As you can tell, this is way too dark for me. It's just too vampy for my taste. But if you're into the vampy lip, it's a really nice formula. I like it better than I like the Tarte ones that I tried. But I don't foresee me ever wearing this. And if you do wear it, you're definitely going to need like a lip liner with it. But anyway, it dries super fast too. Like, her liquid lips, if you like liquid lips, are super like quick drying. I like that. Okay, so that is the last shade. Let me go ahead and switch back over to something that I can deal with. Alright guys, so that was all the shades that I own. If there's any that you want me to try that you think would work for me, just let me know and I will try and see if I can get them on the next sale. I love her glosses so much. Like, it's ridiculous. I don't use any other glosses but hers now. When I got them, I just fell in love. I love the applicator. Let me show you what the applicator looks like up close. See, it's like a little brush, and it's not, it disperses the product so evenly, and I just love the way that little brush feels and puts on my lip products. I think that was like the best, and I don't know anybody else that has that little brush. So, and then the product is just, it's not sticky. It's super like moist but not sticky. I love it so good. I'm not gonna I'm never gonna use them Anastasia glosses again. I'm done with that. I'm just over it, and I love these glosses. So I'm so glad I tried them because I really never wanted to. And then when I did, I was in love. And so I just wanted to show you all the colors that I own so you can see what they look like on the lip, because I'm telling you, if you can afford to, they're pretty cheap if you catch them on a 20% off sale, and they'll usually have like free shipping. You should try these glosses. It will change your life. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video if you like doing lip swatches, and subscribe to my channel. My channel has grown so much in the past week or so, and I'm so thankful for it. So thank you guys so much for your continued support, and I will see you guys later. Bye.